Hello, it's me, SagBub, and I'm making this video for the people who want to know how to play Deathrun Portable in 2025. This tutorial video is going to be in each chapters, so yeah, let's get into the video. Alright, I'm leaving the Deathrun Portable Discord server link down in the description. From there, you can download the modded APK that includes a private server, all unlocked items, unlimited coins, and more. I'll go in depth about the APK in the next chapter of the video. But anyway, to install the APK, this applies to all APKs, include the old ones too. Just go to the Game Links channel, click it, and scroll up until you see the APK file. There it is, the modded APK. Shout out to XOOX for making this incredible modded APK. It also shows what features are included in the modded APK. Click on the file, and you'll get a pop-up saying it's a potentially dangerous file. Don't worry, it's safe. I've tested it myself, and there are no issues. Just continue the download. I won't be downloading it again since I already have it installed. I'll switch to my phone to show you guys how to install it. Okay, now I'm on my phone. To find the APK you downloaded, I'm using a Samsung device, so this might look a bit different for you. Open the Samsung folder, tap on My Files, then go to Installation Files. For this example, I'll be installing Prop Hunt Portable. Tap on the APK file, and the installation will start. If a message appears saying, "Unsafe app blocked," don't worry, it's not malicious or harmful. To continue the installation, tap on More Details, then Install Anyway. Now, the app is installed on your phone. I'll switch back to my PC. To be in a private server, click on the Share button. And if you're wondering what APID009 thing means, it means you're in a private server. If I switch back, it will pop up saying 6F16. That means now you're back to the original Rexet server. For simplicity's sake, I'm going to show you in-game. Again, 6F16 means you're in the original Rexet server, and there will be no players playing the original Rexet server because the game is dead. If I switch back to 009, which again means you're in a private server, I'm using my phone to demonstrate this, and there it is, a server lobby I created with my alt. Alright, now let's get into the other features it includes. Let's start with the unlimited coins. As you'd expect, it gives you an endless supply of coins. I'll show you the process. Right now I have no coins. Let's go back. Click on the second button, then go back again. You should now see that you have unlimited coins. The last feature we're going over is the Unlock All Items option. Right now, I don't have any items. Let's go back, then click on the Twitter button. You should now have all items unlocked. Thanks for watching the video. I'll be uploading more soon, especially more Death Run portable content. Stay tuned for what's next. I'm out. Peace out.